The first revelation by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it was not to offer salah, it was not to pray, it was not to give charity, it was not to perform pilgrimage, but it was Iqra. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Alaq, chapter number 96, verse number 1, Iqra, which means to read, which means to recite, which means to proclaim. And this refers to both to a man as well as to a woman. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is mentioned in Sunan ibn Majah, book of As-Sunnah, hadith number 224. Talabul ilm fariidatun ala kulli Muslim. Seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every single Muslim. Acquiring education and knowledge is obligatory upon every single Muslim, whether it be a male or a female. And the Prophet ﷺ said that the parents, they should educate the children, especially the daughters. And there are several hadiths in Sahih Bukhari where women approached the Prophet ﷺ and said, "O Prophet of Allah, you are always surrounded by men. Why don't you give us a particular time slot?" And the Prophet ﷺ, he agreed. He even used to send Sahabas to educate the women. The best example that I can give you is of Hazrat Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, the wife of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the daughter of Hazrat Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him. According to Urwa, one of her students, she says that she has not seen a greater scholar than Aisha in the knowledge of the Quran, in obligated duties, in lawful and unlawful matters, in Arabic history and genealogy, in Arabic literature and poetry. She was a great scholar. And when Sahaba used to come to discuss with the Prophet ﷺ various issues, including medicine, she used to memorize the knowledge as well as the treatment. And she was expert in mathematics. That's why after the demise of our beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, when the Sahabas, they had a problem about miras, that is inheritance, they used to consult her. And she has narrated no less than 2,210 ahadith on her authority alone. She has taught no less than 88 great scholars. In short, she was a scholar of scholars. We have several examples like Safiya, may Allah be pleased with her, the wife of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And according to Imam Nawawi, she was the most intellectual woman of her time. She was expert in fiqh. We have other examples like Salma, may Allah be pleased with her. According to Ibn Hajar, she has taught no less than 32 different scholars. We have several other examples like Fatima bin Qais, Darda, Sayyida bin Nafisa, who are women scholars 1400 years ago in the Ayyamul Jahiliyyah, in the days of ignorance. Just because the educational rights of a woman in Islam are equal to that of a man, what would you say? The woman's rights in Islam, they are modernizing or they are outdated.